Very good throttle response out the gate, of course. I'm gonna gas it here. And what's great about this engine is just the higher you get in the RPM range, that's when it really starts to throw you back. Yes, that is just fantastic. So the ride right now, just coming down the interstate, is not bad. And especially I've got the cruise control on now, it feels just, it rides normal. And it just does such a good job of staying in the lines and all that. It just rides smoothly down the interstate. And the ride is controlled too. Like when I gas it, I don't feel like I'm about to lose control of the car. And the brakes do a really good job of stopping, of course, with them being Brembos. And one thing this thing is not going to be good for, of course, is going to be your gas mileage. This has been averaging 12 miles to the gallon, and of course I've been kind of nailing it here and there, so it's going to get less than that. But you don't get a Challenger SRT-8 to get 30 miles a gallon. You get it to have fun, rev up in the RPMs, accelerate fast, and that's what it's good at. And for this being a sports car sitting on 20-inch wheels, being, I want to say 4,400 pounds, it's really not that bad. Oh my goodness, I love that. Oh man, I'm so glad I got the chance to do that. That was exhilarating. And keep in mind, this isn't supercharged, turbocharged, anything. It's just that 6.1 liter V8 putting out 420 horsepower to the rear wheels, and it's just fantastic. I want to do that one more time. Oh man, this is great. The sound is really what makes it so awesome. Of course, it throws you back in the seat and it's fast, but that exhaust note and the sound you get from the engine, oh, it's breathtaking. It really is. And going down this back road, the ride, like I said before, it is choppy, but my body's still kind of numb from flooring it earlier. So, I mean, it really, it doesn't make that big of a deal to me. And I mean, it's crazy whoever had this before, for this car to have 27,358 miles and to be in just pristine condition. This is really a classic. I mean, they don't make them like this anymore. They don't have all the fuel saving technology and all that stuff. This is just raw power, a 5-speed automatic. Just a great car. Just a fun and great car. I'm gonna rev the engine a little bit. That's my review of the 09 Challenger SRT-8 with a 5-speed automatic.